Hi everyone, in this tutorial we'll see how to install Anaconda on Windows 10. So first we'll go to anaconda.com. Here click on download and scroll down to this section. You select Anaconda Installer for the distribution of your system. Here I choose Windows 64 bits. Then it's simple, just and run the executable file. And click on next. Next, add Anaconda to the path and install. So after the installation finished, you can now search for Anaconda and open Anaconda Navigator. You can see here that there are a lot of applications that are already installed. Just launch them. For example, VS Code or Jupyter Notebook. And here is the base environment, but we want to create another environment. So it's always good to create one environment for each project. I want to create an environment for machine learning project, so I'm searching in Google to find if there is a good YML file that contains all the necessary packages for machine learning project. You can see this one, this is good, so I'm going to download it. And after that I'm going to create the environment here by selecting the name of the new environment and the file. Okay, click on imports. Oh, this is a .txt file, so I have to remove the .txt extension. So to do that, I go to display and options and display, and here I select to show the file extension so I can modify the extension of the file and click on OK. And now I remove the .txt, I leave just the YML extension and import the file again and click on import. This should take some time depending on your connection. The installation could finish just right here, but for me Anaconda Navigator gives me this error. It said that it could not find these two packages, so I'm going to use another method. So I will use the Anaconda prompts to create the environment using commands. So first I will run this command using the YML file. But you can see that two packages were not found, so I'm just going to comment these two packages and create the environment again. it works. Everything now is going to be installed. Well, we see that also the pip section, these two packages were not found, so we're going to continue the installation of the other packages using the terminal. So we activate the Conda environment that we have just created, that is called ML, and install. Then install the PyType package, and for XGBoost we get the command from the official website, and for torch vision I found this command in Anaconda packages website. So after doing this, I think we have all the necessary packages to do some ML experiments. So here I run the Python interpreter and try to import some packages. You can see that I have successfully imported pandas, numpy, tensorflow, and keras. So after that, I'm going to open Jupyter Notebook by running Jupyter Notebook. This should open Jupyter Notebook in the current directory, and you can see that I can create a simple notebook and run some commands. For example, here I import all the ensemble models from the scikit-learn library. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.